Hello everyone, welcome to TLT Studio. Today we're going to look at how to install and uninstall fonts. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to jump into Photoshop, and then I'm going to show you why it is important for us to know how to install and uninstall fonts. Alright, so I got my text here. Just going to double click to highlight the text, and then we're going to go up to the fonts that we have installed. Right now, if you take a look, we have different types of fonts that is installed. Alright, now over time you will have fonts that you no longer want to have in Photoshop or in After Effects and even Premiere Pro. So when you delete or uninstall some of the fonts, it makes it easier for you to find the fonts that you want to work with. Alright, so that is what I am going to show you how to do. Alright, and also if you have new fonts that you would like to install, the correct way of installing and uninstalling a font on your system so that you can increase your workflow when you're designing in Adobe Suite. The first step is you're going to right click on the desktop, then you're going to go down to personalize. When it opens up, you're going to go over to your left where you see fonts. You're going to click, and this is where we have the fonts option. Alright, now the first part of it is that you can drag and drop to install a font. So this is way easy. This way is very easy to install a font on your system. So if you have a new font you would like to install, this is the way to go. Alright, so I'm just going to show you. So you just find the font that you would like to install, and then you're just going to drag it and drop it. Now with this way, now you can install multiple fonts at the same time. Alright, which is very convenient. Now this is just saying that I already have the font installed, so we're just going to say yes. Alright, if you do not have the font on the system, you will not get that message. Now the other aspect of this tutorial is to show you how to uninstall fonts that you don't want on your system. So I see this font here, I'm not liking this font anymore, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to uninstall it. So what you do, you're going to click, and it is as simple as clicking uninstall, then you click uninstall, and just like that it is uninstalled. Now once you uninstall a font, the screen will be blank. So all you'd have to do is go up to your left, if you up to your top left corner, and click on the arrow to show the other fonts that you have on your system. So what you can do is browse through the fonts on your system to find the ones that you like and to uninstall the ones you don't like, so that when you're working in Photoshop or in the Adobe Suite, you'll be able to increase your workflow by finding the fonts that you really need and deleting the ones that you don't want. Alright, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and have a blessed day.